Welcome to Infinite Campus Training. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access and use the instructional planner. So on the side menu right under Teaching Center, you'll find Planner. If you click on that, this is basically just a couple of different calendar views for what you've got going on in your classroom. The first one, My Curriculum, is basically just a calendar view of what you have going on academically in your classes. And the second one you're probably going to be most concerned about is My Schedule. My Schedule, I think this is going to have your curriculum plus any other events that you've sort of put on your personal planner, not necessarily something going on in class. Maybe you've got a professional development thing going on after school and you've added that. This, I believe, will show you pretty much everything that you've put in to your schedule. You can actually search for other curriculum and other schedules as well. If you have access to it, like say from another teacher, you can borrow curriculum from another teacher, I think, and sort of use it yourself or at least see what they have going on. And you can either even check other teachers' schedules if you have access to that. I'm not sure if you will. That might be a setting that that individual teacher has to set. But if you want to look at the settings for the planner, just click on Settings. And you have a bunch of different settings. You can choose colors for different classes. Do you want week view, day view, a bunch of other things? When does your day start? Do you want to leave certain classes off your curriculum planner so you don't have to see them? Or maybe you just want to focus on one, so you want to turn the rest of them off. A bunch of different things you can do here. Basically, it's just an online calendar built into Infinite Campus. Thank you for watching another Infinite Campus tutorial. For more Infinite Campus tutorials and much more, don't forget to like and subscribe.